Before I start this free trade review, if you find any of this video useful, then please make sure that you hit that like button and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, and also tell your friends and family about the Money to the Masses channel and website. Freetrade was launched in 2018 with the aim of making stock trading and stock ownership accessible and affordable. It was founded by Adam Dodds and David Ferranelli, both of whom previously worked in corporate finance for KPMG. The platform's unique selling point is that its app lets users buy and trade real shares with zero commission or fees via their smartphone. Share dealing can be expensive if you trade using traditional DIY investment platforms such as Hargreaves Lansdown, AJ Bell, and Interactive Investor, as they tend to have a stronger focus on funds. Freetrade, however, is solely focused on shares, and you can build up your own portfolio from just £2. There are no fees for buying and selling shares, and trades are instant. There are two options for depositing cash: either set up a bank transfer or make a direct payment from a debit or credit card. There may be a wait for a bank transfer to clear, but a card payment will be instant, meaning you can start trading straight away. Now, in order to set up a Freetrade account, you'll need to download either its Apple or Android app on your smartphone. It is worth mentioning that all new customers that sign up for an account via Money to the Masses will receive a free share worth up to £200. Now, I'll provide the link on screen if you wish to check out that offer, or you can click on the link in the description below this video. As with all investing, your capital is at risk. Once the app is installed, the setup process takes just a few minutes. You'll need to start by entering your email address, and then you'll need to verify your account by entering a verification code that you'll be sent. Now, once you've entered your personal details such as your name, address, date of birth, and national insurance number, you are ready to start trading. Freetrade offers three different plans: the Freetrade Basic Plan, which is free; the Freetrade Standard Plan, which is priced at £4.99 a month; and the Freetrade Plus Plan, priced at £9.99 a month. So let's first take a look at the Basic Plan. It allows users to buy and sell shares via a general investment account, commission free. There is no monthly subscription fee, and users can access around 1,500 stocks and ETFs. Next, we have the Freetrade Standard Plan, which is a paid subscription plan and costs £4.99 a month, and it gives users access to a stocks and shares ISA wrapper in addition to the general investment account. And Standard Plan subscribers can access the full range of over 6,000 stocks and ETFs. In addition, Standard Plan users can earn 1% interest on up to £2,000 on uninvested cash. Now, the final plan is the Freetrade Plus Plan, which is a paid subscription and costs £9.99 a month. It gives users access to a self-invested personal pension plan, a SIP, in addition to the general investment account and the stocks and shares ISA. Now, the Plus account users can also get access to a full range of over 6,000 stocks and ETFs, as well as access to priority customer support. In addition, Freetrade Plus users can earn 3% interest on up to £4,000 of uninvested cash. But make sure you check out our full detailed review of Freetrade and all of the plans and their benefits on the Money to the Masses website, which you can access via the link on screen and in the show notes, where we do provide a handy table so you can easily compare each of those plans to see which works best for you. Overall, Freetrade offers a simplified user experience via its mobile app and is likely to appeal to those who are starting to get into trading shares and those that have small amounts to invest, particularly as there are no administration costs or subscription fees via its basic plan. Additionally, new users can, of course, get a free share when they sign up via the link on screen, and that share can be worth between £3 and £200. Remember that with all investing, your capital is at risk and the value of your investments can go down as well as up. Now, if you've enjoyed this video or found it useful at all, then please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.